Hi, I'm Stuart from SB Leadworks. Welcome to the next job. Let's go and have a look, see what it's all about. Okay, so here we are. We've got this balcony to lead. Now it's got like a fiberglass coating, which they have actually taken all the way up, but the builder still wants us to clad all this in lead. So we're going to have some welted panels all the way around, basically, all the way through here, coming around here, coming through here. We're going to have a door tray through here. We make sure that we bring this cladding through inside the door opening here, and be another tray higher up. And we'll also have this dormer to finish off, so we've got an apron corner to finish off there. We'll have to dress that jamb inside and fix that as well. And at the front of it, we're going to have an apron detail coming through there with a capping section on this as well. So it's quite involved, and it is quite tight in there, to be honest. But I think what we'll do first, we'll get some building paper on there, and we'll start setting out some welts and see what we're looking at. Okay, so as you can see, we've got this building paper in place now. I've got all my welts set out, so I know exactly where they're going to come. I've also now just started putting this cladding on. What I've done is I've just started from the middle and working away either side. So I've come down quite low. I'm about 50mm off the deck. Where I meet an outlet, I've stepped it up a little bit to make that a little bit more open, so that no leaves and stuff get caught in those outlets. So I'm going to carry on now, just getting all this cladding through, and then we can have a look at doing something else. Okay, so I've got a lot of this cladding in place now. I still need to put a lot more copper nails on there to fix it properly, but I've just tacked it for now. So we're around to those points there on both sides. I think what I'm going to do now is we're going to concentrate on getting this door tray in. So I'm just going to do this in two pieces with a join in the middle. So I'm just on the bench there now. Just got that ready to weld a gusset in there. I'm going to do this out of position. It's just easier because you can just angle it to suit whatever's easiest for you. Rather when you're in position, you've got to do it like that, and that's that. So decided to make both of these out of position. So we get that gusset welded in there, then we make up the other side, get those two door trays fitted, and then we can have a look at getting the last cladding sections on and turned into the openings. Okay, so that's that door tray all in there now. I've also just finished this cladding as well. So that's all this cladding nailed round. I still need to put a load more nails in that, but that's just for now, just to keep it in place. So that's all that cladding done. I think what we're going to concentrate now on is getting this front apron through here. So let's get this bit of apron through, then we can look at doing this capping. Okay, so that's all that apron run through there now. Just need to adjust the clips up, but I'll probably do that right at the end with all of these other ones as well. So what I'm going to do now is concentrate on getting this capping on. Just going to do this in 3 equal sections. Already got my welts marked out where they're going to go. So we've got one there. We've got another one there. What we do is we make sure we get some clips on the inside of that cladding. Get a load more nails in there as well. Double head nail that, copper nails, 25mm ring shanks. So let's go and get this bit knocked up. Okay, so I've got all my clips on there through the front there now, ready for this capping. I've just got all the clips on the inside edge as well. So that's all ready to take the cap in, and just in the process now of knocking up these sections. So we're going to carry on knocking these up, start getting this capping through. Okay, so that's all that capping in place now. I think what I'm going to do now is going to dress up all of these clips, and then we can look at sorting out these ends. Now then, the roofers have already slated this before all this was done, so obviously at the moment all this is going the wrong way round. So what I have to do is going to have to strip some slates out, pull it round the right way round, slate it back in. So I'll get that sorted as well in a minute. First thing I'll do though is we get all these get all these clips dressed up, and then we can look at welding in these gussets. Okay, so that's all these clips nicely dressed up now, and I've just finished welding in these gussets as well. So that's all welded now and going around the right way. So I've done that one. This side is done as well. I've come on to the inside. You just see, just dressed up all these clips now on the inside as well. So that's all finished. So now that all these gussets are welded in, what I'm going to do now is I've got some cover pieces to put over these slates and dress down over here. I'm going to put both of those on. I've got one on this side here, exactly the same detail, on that side as well. So we'll get both of those in, and then we can just look at getting these last trays in. This higher tray up here, another tray there, and then we just got to finish these apron corners and dress in these jambs. Okay, so that's both of these cover sections in place now. Done that side. And that side's all in and finished as well. Also dressed down this apron now and clip that. So now we're ready now to get these top trays in. So I'm going to get both of these trays in, and then we can dress these jambs around. Okay, so that's both of those top trays in there now. So all we've got left to do now is just got a couple more clips to trim and dress. We'll set these welts in here as well, and I've got a few on this side of these panels as well. I'll get them all those set in. I've got a few corners to round off. Get these corners all rounded off so it's all uniform. Those jambs are all dressed round as well now, so they're finished. So we get all those bits done, give it a coat of oil, and that'll be job done. Okay, so that's all those welts all dressed in now. All the corners are rounded off, and I've just finished giving it a coat of oil. So that is job done. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. You can check me out on Instagram at SLB Leadworks. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Hopefully catch you in the next. Cheers.